Good morning. So I am heading to Laggan currently. I'm going to see if there's any kind of snacks I can grab there for my breakfast. And I've had a so much better night in the hostel than I have previously because I bumped into Bella again, who is also walking the Great Glen Way, and so we met 2 hostels back and then we bumped into each other on the trail again yesterday, and turns out we were sharing a dorm room again. So she was so nice and gave me some earplugs, and it was what I needed. So I definitely need to, when I get to Fort William, stock up on the earplugs, because game changer for if you are staying in a hostel. Kytra, you do know your name. Weatherman is purposely out to get me and toying with my emotions, because today it is down as just being black cloud all day and then probably rain later, and so far it's been cloudy but nice clouds, and there's a lot of heat going on. So yeah, I was hoping to get to Clunes, but I need to stop and have a break, get the weight off my back, but I'm just going to be quiet just for a second, just to see if you can hear the water and the birds, because this is going to refuel my energy. So there has been a lot of diversions on the Great Glen Way. A lot of it has been for forestry. This one here, you'll see I'm fenced off, is for, I believe, a hydropower something. And it is a shame, because I can't help but think, I wonder what the views would have been like down there. That's where I should be. But at least it's a clear fence, so I can still see the wonderful view. I'm a farm girl. I'm very much used to having to go to the toilet in the fields, but this feels a little bit more sketchy when you're on a trail and you need the toilet. But I'm getting used to doing the danger wheeze now, for sure, and you definitely know how to find the spots.
This is the exact moment I fell madly, deeply in love with Scotland. I just had to dance. But I also made sure to do the compulsory serious travel presenter shot.
So I've been seeing a lot of dragonflies on this route, and of course I've seen dragonflies before, but it's the first time I've been able to capture one, and I'm pretty convinced that the dragonflies in Scotland are some kind of super mutant dragonflies. They're huge! So I've just hit the 9-mile mark. I am nearly in Clunes. My feet are hurting a little bit. And this heat is insane. To say it was just going to be dark clouds all day, it has been nothing but sun behind white clouds. So yeah. Woo. But I still plan to go see the Rob Roy waterfall. I really do want to see that, and that is going to be then 6 miles in total to my final destination. So I think I can do it. I can do it. I don't think I can do it. I can do it. I'm just heading up the Mile Door Canal, and I'm just trying to get a move on because I think the rain is coming now. It's trying anyway. Oh god. Not cried yet. That nearly set me off. I miss Herschel so much. I am at the Rob Roy filming location, and this is the scene in which Rob Roy, who is played by Liam Neeson, is captured by the Redcoats, and he is walking over the bridge and they are going to hang him, but he is able to escape by wrapping the rope around Tim Roth's character and jumping off the bridge. So let's go take a look.
In the 1995 film Rob Roy, this very spot became the dramatic setting for one of the most memorable scenes. But this location is more than just a backdrop for a movie. Nestled within the deep woods of the Mile Dorca, the Dark Mile, lies the Shiach waterfalls. They carry with them a chilling tale from the days when this was Clan Cameron country. In the days of old, the wealth of Clan Cameron was measured by the health of their cattle. But when illness swift through the herds, the clan suspected witchcraft, believing that a Banavucha, a witch woman, had cast a curse. One such woman was hunted down by the clan and chased to the edge of the falls. With no escape, she was forced over the edge. From that day on, the pool beneath the falls was known as the Witch's Cauldron.
I've just possibly had my first creepiest moment. I genuinely thought someone was sitting on that dock just there, and I've just looked again and obviously there's no one there, so a little bit creepy. Just met a really lovely local woman who was just checking I was okay and just gave me better directions to where I want to get to, and was just letting me know of good wild camping spots as well. But I just explained to her that it's Gairlochy that I am heading for, so I want to be by those locks. And yeah, she basically explained that the waterfall isn't flowing that fast at the moment either. And she said sometimes it can be that fast that you can't even see the rocks. So I'd love to see that. But I absolutely loved doing the waterfall. If you are to do the Great Glen Way, I highly recommend that you add this detour into your itinerary because it's totally worth it. I've loved every minute of it. And after that waterfall, I definitely feel revitalized. I love waterfall energy.